There's a new Audible plan in 2026 called the Audible Standard plan or Audible Standard membership. It's a book a month for $8.99. That is the cheapest Audible plan that you can get. There's a link in the description that takes you to this landing page for the Audible Standard plan. And you're going to see that you can start it for $8.99 and there's a free 30-day trial. And you can compare it to Premium Plus as well, which is Audible's most premium membership at $15 per month. So $8.99 per month gets you a book per month from that premium title selection. These are $20, $30+ books that you get for $8.99. Now you have to select your book each month, so you don't get a credit that rolls over. You actually have to get or use your credit that month, but it does go into your library. So that library builds, you don't lose that book while you have your standard membership, and you can listen to it for as long as you have a membership on Audible, a paid membership. That's kind of the other criteria. If you do cancel your plan and you don't have a paid membership anymore on Audible, your books are locked that you got on that standard plan. It's almost like being able to stream a book a month for free and then build up a library where as long as you have that paid membership or any paid membership, you're able to listen to all of those books. Audible Premium Plus, those credits roll over and you keep those books even if you cancel. You don't keep your credits if you cancel, but whatever books you've purchased through Audible Premium Plus stays on that account. You cancel it, you can go and listen to all those books. For instance, right now, my Audible Premium Plus membership is canceled. I haven't been reading as much, but if I wanted to, I can hop right back into any book I got on Premium Plus and listen to it right now for free because I already purchased that book technically. That's kind of the other difference between standard and Audible Premium Plus. But at $8.99 per month with a free 30-day trial, that's how much the Audible Standard plan costs in 2026. We may see cheaper plans in the future, or this plan might change in price over time. Click that link in the description and you'll see the latest Audible Standard plan and how you can get free trials for either of these plans.